Hey guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a 2017 Kubota RTV-X900. So the X900 lineup is going to be very similar to your 1100. It's the same chassis, same everything. Just these are an open station unit. This does have the roof, the Kubota OEM roof, and the windshield. This unit has 1,090. Hang on, tell you, I forgot. 1,095 hours on it. It's 2,490 miles. Very good running working unit. This thing was never in the salt. It's actually come out of Virginia from a friend of mine. Was on a horse farm. Very, very clean. I have a 4-seater unit. It's going to be coming up for sale later this week from the same estate. Very clean unit. It is a 2017. Was very well cared for. We've probably put 25 hours on it here. I've owned it for probably 2 months. Just now got time to get it serviced and cleaned up. We run it around here. Very good unit. Solid. 100% ready to go to work. I'm going to start here underneath the engine compartment first. Then walk on over here. I'm going to start it. I'll put the bed up. We'll show you underneath the engine compartment. You can stay right on that side. So these units are all hydraulic. Dump on them, a true hydraulic dump, not an electric over hydraulic like a lot of your competitive models. It's going to be powered by a Kubota D902 3-cylinder diesel engine. Guys, these are a true work vehicle. These are not a 55 mile an hour plus unit that you can go four-wheeling with your buddies with. If you want a work vehicle, these are a work vehicle. Again, we changed all the filters and oils in this, serviced it. Again, you can see underneath on the bed here, no rust. It was never in the salt. A lot of these units end up having snow plows on them, and they just completely get rusted out. These do have float and down pressure on that bed. This does have the spray and bed liner in it. Tailgate has a ding here. Does have that sprayed in liner in it. You can see it's in very nice shape. Does have the rear headache rack. Again, the roof, the windshield. Independent rear suspension, they call that IRS, extra heavy duty rear independent suspension. Tires are going to be about 75%. They are the work site tires. They match all the way around the unit. Underneath the hood, we'll show you up front here. Grill guard's in nice shape. There's one little wee ding right there in that grill guard. Other than that, hood's very, very nice, the front hood. Radiator up front, air filter up front, brake reservoir and overflow jug. Everything there is clean. I did replace this gas shock. It was starting to go bad, so we went ahead and replaced that. Worst part on this whole unit is this front windshield. Have no idea how they did it, but they cracked it here, okay? Showing that to you, being honest. There was one little nick here in the seat, and this seat didn't warranty replacing it. And I'll show you on the other side. I'll walk over there first, Ben. There is a mark on this seat. I did not replace it. If it was here in a big open area, I'd have replaced it, but it still has a lot of wear left in that seat. Under seat storage on both sides. Let me flip this one up. Both sides, very nice. We own 5 of these units ourselves, 5 total. Really good units. Here, we'll go over some control features. The RTV, again, in my opinion, these X series, probably the best that they've ever made. 1,095 hours. As soon as we start it, $24.99 on the miles. Park brake, fuel, temperature. You're going to have a horn here. You're going to have your transmission. These do have a pressure relief valve in the transmission when you press that to shift. Throttle pedal, 4-wheel drive in and out. You do have a tilt wheel right here. Park brake release, just going to simply pull in on that, release. Headlights there. Again, does have and I'll show you here, that is a factory Kubota windshield and a factory Kubota roof. Ben, there you go. Dump valve is here, obviously, for the bed, and then locking differential. I'm going to go ahead. We're going to start it, run it around, show you it does everything it's supposed to do. Here we go. We will start out here in low range. And I will have that alternator belt adjusted or replaced, whatever it needs. High range. One thing we really do like about the Kubota whenever you let off, and I'm going to show you this, it comes to a stop, okay? Unlike your stuff that's got CVD transmissions in them, where when you let off, the belt just releases. And now you see how I spun the wheels? I'm going to go ahead and put it in full drive. It does not spin the wheels because I'm in full drive. See there? I'll show you that the full drive works. These have a true hydraulic power steering in them, okay? Again, we have a bunch of these. We love them. They're great units. And again, the reason I have them, I have 2 kids, 2 boys, and they run them all the time. And what I like about them, again, they're not fast, 23, 24 mile an hour downhill in a windstorm. But what we like about these units is that when you let off that pedal, they're going to come to a stop because they're a hydrostatic transmission. And they will go. They're an amazing unit, how they'll climb. And I mean, 4-wheel drive is great in them. And around the farm, you can't beat them. Throw your stuff in there, your tools, whatever you're doing, run around with them. But I do have this unit available. Like I said, very good unit. It is fully service ready to go to work. The belt, if it needs adjuster, new one, we'll put it on. Very good running, working unit. Any questions, 814-658-3066. Please check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com, for a ton of photos. If we can help you, let us know. I'm Nick Miller, 814-658-3066. As always, thanks for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.